Hello there, welcome back again. No tutorials related, not today, something different. So I'm going to talk about Sindel Cosplay for Mortal Kombat 11, just a breakdown how I did this build. Now, my favorite piece about this cosplay, it has to be the bracers. So what I did to the bracer, I added like a lace over it just to have the texture, and then I added paints like silver, browns, blacks, just to make it pretty much like an age feel to it. So if you can see, all the armor pieces have the same process of the armor, and mostly what I use for my other tutorials is mostly EVA foam, craft foam, and Warbler. Now for the makeup, this is my first time adding details to my face and the neck, so I have fun with it, just have more experimentations, and mostly what I use, like the products, is Krylon. It's a water-based makeup, and I just apply it on my face, the gray color first, and then I will add a little bit of white, and then just add like more like the veins or the cracks coming out from her, like from her neck and from her face, and then add a little bit more details onto like the contouring effect, just to have more of a 3D feel to it and more dead.